Hey guys, it's HEMPDOGG here with HEMPDOGG TV. Just showed you the Pivot Switchblade, which is the bike we're going to be riding today. Normally I ride a Firebird, but axle snapped on it and had some hub issues, so it's getting serviced. So I went last night to Sagebrush, picked up this demo bike. I'm super excited on it. Everyone's gotten to ridden it and try it out, but I haven't got to this year, so gonna give it a whirl. Up here by Tiddlywinks, so into the Lone Wolf. Let's get it. Switchblade L2W. Yeah. Another beautiful day in Central Oregon. So yesterday the bike started out with the fork at 50 psi and the rear shock was at I think 155. So I brought a shock pump with me and I did 2 laps on Tiddlywinks, and then I pedaled over and I hit Lone Wolf, and then I hit Lower Tyler's, and then took Larson's back over to my van. So that was like a 5-hour ride, I think. In that time I pumped the rear shock up to 220 and then 230, and then I went the fork to 65 and then ended up going to 75 on Lone Wolf. And I the rebound felt pretty fast, so I went a couple clicks on the rear, a couple clicks on the front, and then still felt a little bit fast, so 1 on the fork and then 1 more on the rear shock, and then it cornered a lot better after that. So today I have the same settings. PSI on the tires is the same, 32 in the rear and like 26 in the front, no cush core. But I'm here with Dan, and he heard the rumors. So he got the Switchblade too. But anyways, yeah, just for the day. But we're gonna go out here and do some drone footage flying and do round 2. So catch up with you guys in a little bit. Peace.